How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Rome, the capital of Italy.
Where do you live?
I live in Madrid, Spain.
Are you single?
Yes, I am single.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
Could you lend me $100?
Sorry, I can't do that right now.
Are you tired?
Not really, I feel quite energetic.
Are you hungry?
A little bit, I could eat something.
Do you like me?
Yes, you seem like a nice person.
Do you love me?
I think that's a bit too soon to say.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I have some free time tomorrow.
Are you sick?
No, thankfully I'm feeling well.
Are you rich?
I wouldn't say rich, but I'm doing okay.
Do I smell bad?
No, not at all.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
I'm more of an optimist.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Yes, it's perfectly okay for anyone to cry.
Are you a romantic person?
Yes, I consider myself quite romantic.
How many hearts have you broken?
I hope none.
What gets you really angry?
Injustice and dishonesty really upset me.
Do you cry easily?
Not really, it takes a lot to make me cry.
Are you a pet lover?
Absolutely, I love animals.
Are you happy?
Yes, generally I am happy.
Do you like to wear makeup?
Sometimes, depending on the occasion.
When was the last time you cried?
It's been a while, I can't exactly remember.
Do you have any phobias?
I'm a bit scared of heights.
Are you a clean or messy person?
I like to think I'm quite clean.
Do you have a temper?
I'm pretty calm, so not really.
Do you get angry easily?
No, it takes a lot to make me angry.
Are you camera shy?
A little, I'm not very comfortable in front of the camera.
Do you feel uncomfortable now?
No, I feel quite comfortable talking with you.
Who knows you best?
My best friend knows me the best.
Can I give you $500?
That's very generous, but why would you do that?
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Are you often sick?
Not often, I usually stay quite healthy.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm single at the moment.
Why don't you have a girlfriend?
I haven't found the right person yet.
Can you keep a secret?
Yes, I'm very good at keeping secrets.
Do you subscribe to my YouTube channel?
If you have interesting content, I might.
Are you smarter than me?
Intelligence is relative. We might be smart in different areas.
Is it okay to tell white lies?
Sometimes, if it's to avoid hurting someone's feelings.
Do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
Have you ever been arrested?
No, I've never been arrested.
Are you awesome?
I like to think so.
Do you have a lot of drama in your life?
No, I try to keep my life drama-free.
How would you describe an ideal student?
An ideal student is curious, hardworking, and respectful.
Do you get jealous easily?
Not really, I'm quite secure in my relationships.
What makes you really angry?
Unfair treatment of people or animals.
Are you stingy?
No, I believe in sharing and generosity.
What's your nickname?
Some friends call me Alex.
Are you handsome?
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but I feel good about myself.
Am I beautiful?
I'm sure you are in many ways.
Do you have many friends?
I have a few close friends, which is perfect for me.
Do you like to dye your hair?
Sometimes, it's fun to change things up.
Are my questions weird?
Not at all, they're quite interesting.
What was your first job?
My first job was working in a cafe.
What makes a happy marriage?
Communication, trust, and mutual respect are key.
Do you get bored easily?
Sometimes, if I'm not doing something engaging.
Are you a genius?
I wouldn't say a genius, but I love to learn.
Do you have a good memory or a bad memory?
I think I have a pretty good memory.
How many hours of sleep do you generally need per night?
I need about 7 to 8 hours of sleep to feel rested.
Do you snore?
Not that I know of.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I like meeting new people and making friends.
Do you like to use social media?
Yes, I use social media to keep in touch with friends and stay updated.
Do Canadian and Americans speak the same English?
Yes, but there are some differences in accent and slang.
What makes Canadians different than Americans?
There are cultural and historical differences, but both are diverse societies.
Are you a workaholic?
Not really, I try to balance work with relaxation.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
I'm not sure, maybe it's possible.
Do you have many regrets?
I try to learn from my mistakes, so I don't hold on to many regrets.
Do you have a tattoo?
I've answered this one already. No, I don't have any tattoos.
Is life beautiful?
Yes, despite its challenges, life has many beautiful moments.
Are you addicted to anything?
No, I try to maintain a balanced lifestyle.
How often do you eat fast food?
Not very often, I prefer homemade meals.
Where did you grow up?
This was also answered earlier. I grew up in Rome, Italy.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
What do you do?
I work as a graphic designer.
Do you like to teach English?
I'm not an English teacher, but I enjoy helping others learn.
Are you a strict teacher?
If I were a teacher, I think I'd be fair but not too strict.
Do you give a lot of homework?
Again, as I'm not a teacher, I don't give homework, but I believe in practice.
Do you love grammar?
I think grammar is important for clear communication. Yes, I love trying new foods and cuisines.
Are you a foodie? Are you a diligent person?
Yes, I'm very committed to my goals and work hard.
What's your religion?
I prefer to keep my personal beliefs private.
Do you often cuss?
No, I try to keep my language clean.
Have you ever tried illegal drugs?
No, I've never tried illegal drugs.
Do you make a lot of money?
I make enough to live comfortably.
Are you a frugal person?
Yes, I try to be mindful about my spending.
What are your weak points?
Sometimes, I can be a bit too perfectionistic.
How often do you work out?
I try to exercise 3 to 4 times a week.
Are you a fitness freak?
I wouldn't say a freak, but I do value staying healthy.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
How much can you bench press?
I don't bench press often, so I'm not sure.
How much can you deadlift?
Like with squats, I don't deadlift, so I don't know.
How do you motivate yourself?
Setting goals and reminding myself of the bigger picture helps me stay motivated.
Can you show us your muscles?
I'm not really into showing off, but I keep fit.
Can you beat me at an arm wrestle?
Maybe, it would be fun to try.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
I'd love to live in New Zealand for its beautiful landscapes.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, You are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!